Look, this woman is wearing checked trousers. Checked. And the man has striped trousers on. Striped. Look at the boy. His jacket is plain. Plain. And the girl's skirt is polka-dot. Polka-dot. The patterns can be different. Checked, striped, plain, polka-dot. Things we wear are made of different stuff. They can be made of velvet, leather, silk, cotton, wool. And styles also differ. This boy is wearing baggy trousers. Baggy. The girl is in a tight-fitting dress. Tight-fitting. And this woman's dress is loose-fitting. Loose-fitting. Now let's revise the words we have learned. Checked, striped, plain, polka-dot. There are a few more new words. Look them up in the dictionary. Floral, patterned, baggy, tight-fitting, loose-fitting. There are some more words which you have to look up in the dictionary. Elegant, smart, sporty, casual, velvet, leather, silk, cotton, wool.